Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Avionics Tech Channel.
Aircraft carriers have the most active flight and hangar decks of any other ship. Keeping 90 aircraft organized, coordinated, and ready for action takes a massive effort from everyone on the aircraft decks, but especially from the airboss. A U.S. aircraft carrier's flight deck is like a well-tuned symphony. Every day, approximately 5,000 crew members work together to launch or recover up to 220 aircraft, with a maneuver occurring every 37 seconds. Their color-coded outfits allow for exact assignment identification, ranging from ordnance handling red to aircraft direction yellow, assuring safety and efficiency in the high-octane atmosphere of Seaborn Aviation operations. U.S. Navy aircraft carriers are commanded by a captain, but the aircraft are the responsibility of the flight officer, also known as the airboss. At land-based air bases, the airboss would oversee the air traffic control ATC tower. Aboard carriers, his job is not much different, he just has less space to work with, so it must be much better coordinated. The airboss's tower is called the primary flight control, Pri-Fly, and is on the highest deck of the island. From the Pri-Fly, the airboss and all the sailors with him must keep track of all the aircraft, how much fuel they have, what ordnance they're carrying, where they are in relation to the aircraft, and many other variables. Pri-Fly holds the Ouija board, which is effectively a scaled physical replica of the flight deck. On this board, miniature representations of each aircraft on board are moved to reflect their real-time positions on the deck. This contributes to the maintenance of situational awareness, control, and administration of all aircraft operations. The Ouija board operators, nicknamed handlers by sailors, work closely with the Integrated Catapult Control System (ICCS) or Bubble. The handlers and the Bubble's symbiotic relationship allows seamless coordination, quick decision-making, and efficient execution of aircraft operations, whether launching, landing, or on-deck movements.
That is Chief Hilliard.
But landing and launching aircraft is not just about controlling aircraft. The ship's course and headwind also play a role. An aircraft carrier's engine room or propulsion plant is constantly active, enabling efficient aircraft launches and landings. Nuclear-powered engines use conventional steam turbines to power huge propellers, generating the power required for the carrier to maintain the required speed and heading. The ship turns into the wind for aircraft takeoffs, increasing the relative wind speed over the deck. This greater wind over the wings, combined with the carrier speed, increases lift, lowering the length of the runway required for aircraft launches. The ability for the engine room to control the carrier speed is critical in this. Similarly, the carrier's consistent speed allows aircraft to land safely at a constant speed relative to the ship. The engine room collaborates closely with the flight deck and air officers to maintain stringent speed parameters for safe and successful operations.
73 airborne.
Aircraft carriers use a specialized platform known as a Bubble Catapult Control Station or Integrated Catapult Control System (ICCS). This critical nerve center supervises the steam-powered or electromagnetically powered catapults that push aircraft off the carrier's deck, converting a paltry 300t deck into a viable runway. The Bubbles crew, often deck officers with great expertise and training, manages and verifies each aircraft's weight and required speed for launch to guarantee a safe and successful catapult launch. Within the Bubble, integrated touch control screens and digital displays provide a detailed picture of ongoing procedures. As a result, the Bubble is critical to the carrier's seamless and thorough orchestration of complex flight operations.